So the next thing we are going to learn, which is the directory listing attributes. So this is how my directory listing attributes looks like. So first thing, which is here, it represent the permission mode or the file type, that what is the type of the file it is. The second one, the second column basically represent that how many links it is connected, which is a 2, 17, 69, 66, just like this. The third one is the who is the owner of this file. Here it is the example, the owner of this file is the root, and the next column represent the who is the group owner of that file. Now the other next column basically represent the size of the file in the bytes, which is a 4096 bytes, 77824 bytes. The next column basically represent about the date. Here it's represent the month, the day, the date, and the last basically time at which time it was created. And the last column, it basically represent the name of the file, which is the bin dev etc home. So basically displaying the root directory of the Linux command. Let me show you that how it is look. So yeah, this is my Linux terminal, and this is how it is displayed when you type the ls minus l or ls minus ltr command. So it will, because the ls minus l and minus ltr command basically display the more detail about the file type, the links and the owners and all those details also. So here, if you the first letter starts with the D, then basically it means that the file is a directory. That's why it stands for the D. And if there is nothing in, if it is a dash in the file type, then that means that is a regular file, just a testing file like this. So yeah, because I have created just a normal regular file without any kind of containing any content in that, so that's why it is showing this my dash dash dash. And if there is an any kind of if the file name starts with the L in your the file type, so it means that it is the file is linked towards the another thing. So yeah, you can see this basically represents how many links that has been connected. This is the owner, which is my name Shan. This is the group owner name. This is the show represent the file size in bytes. This is the month, date, and the year, and this is the name of my file in my root in my directory. So let's just move on to my Linux terminal and let me show you something there. So I will log in there. So yeah, here you can see I will just redirect to my root directory so I can show you. So yeah, I'm right now in my root directory, as you can see. Now I will type the command ls minus l. So after typing this command, you can see it is displaying me the whole content, the whole detail about my files, when it was created and how it was created. So here you can see this this one basically starts from the letter L. So that means that this file has been linked with the other file, just like this. So you can say, basically after looking at the first letter of this file type, you can say that whether it is the directory, whether it is the link with the another file, or whether it is just a normal file. So you can see, like in my root directory, there are some files who are linked with the another file, just like this bin, which is linked with the usr. The other one lib, it is also linked with this one. The lib64, it is linked with this one. You can see it represents the first letter with L, and the other files which has the directory, it represent like this. So one thing you can also tell that name for those file name which has the highlight with it with blue color, with this dark blue, it is they represent the directory, and those who are not those who are highlighted with the light blue color, those are link file with the other files. So this is how you can guess whether it is the directory or whether it is the link. So now and if you try to create a file here, so it won't allow you to create any kind of file. For example, I'm trying to create a file here, so it will be denied my permission because I can't create my file in my root directory, just like this. And also, if I want to access the file just like this, so after typing the command like this, it can be you can access the file from here, the directory, because these things are the directory, not other file. But what if I create a file in here and I try to attempt the try to redirect myself towards the file, but it won't be possible because the things which are this here to display, those are the directories, and you can directly redirect yourself towards the cd command towards the directories. So this was the about my so this was the about the yeah so this was the about the directory listing attributes, and this is how it is possible. I hope you remember this.